Hello, today we'll be reviewing Cuisinart Waffle Maker. This is a classic round waffle maker. It has two iron plates on top and bottom. The diameter of the plate is 6.5 inches. The operation of this Cuisinart waffle maker is very simple. It has a thermostat which controls the temperature of the machine. The temperature range of this waffle maker is from 1 to 5, and 5 being the dark toasted one. There is a red and green light which indicate the temperature and readiness of the waffle maker. So I have plugged in the waffle maker. I prefer the waffle to be golden, so I'm going to set the thermostat at 4 and let it warm up. Now the light has turned green, so the temperature is set to pour in the batter. I'm going to close the lid and let it cook until the light turns green again. I've also included the recipe of the waffles in the description box if you're looking for one. It takes about 2 minutes for each waffle to cook. I think this is a very handy machine if you want to prepare the breakfast beforehand. Sometimes I make the waffles in bulk and freeze them. I can take out the waffles and toast them in the toaster, and they come out crisp and ready to eat. The light has turned green again, so that means the waffle is cooked, and now I'm going to take out the waffle from the waffle maker. And the waffle is ready. I would definitely recommend this machine. It's easy and simple.